Welcome to Trade Setup in the morning Jumpstart for the 14th of September. Well, we had a sea of red overnight. We had all major US S&P sectors lower, and all but one on the Dow 30 were lower. Apple did quite well with all the new release of its iPhone 7. Energy shares were hit pretty hard because of lower crude oil prices, and US financials fell also on the prospects of a near-term rate hike diminishing from around 24% to 17%. Let's take a look at how we went. The SPY futures closed down 11 points for the session. S&P futures closed out a massive 21 3/4 points. FTSE was slightly lower, down 33 points. The DAX also slightly lower, down 35 points. Gold finished only $1.90 lower. Oil finished down $1.39, which is quite a strong move lower. CRB index finished down 2.39 points, and the Aussie's currently around the 74.63 level. Okay, looking at the charts now, this is a daily chart of ASX 200. We can see these contraction legs lower. We've had that projected down to that 52.20 zone. We have extended that, and we extended down to 51.58, so quite a bit lower on the daily, but that is a minor inside support level there. So we'll see if that can hold up. We are well into oversold territory there, so we can see that first leg down, project that down from the 54.33 resistance. We project that down. It comes a little bit lower, but we're all sort of ending up in roughly the same area, and that price overnight did head lower but did reject that 51.58. So we'll see what plays out today. Okay, scouring the 30-minute chart on the ASX. That's that daily support level there, that 51.58. We have got lows of around 55, so we did touch down there, did bounce into the close there. Now we got that 51.86. It's only a minor level, but if we can pop up below there and start building a bit of a base and building a minor higher low, which could give us some emphasis just to push us up to at least resistance level, or start to look going from a downtrend into a bit more of a contraction area or consolidation, and to hold those supports. But the 30-minute is overbought, so we'll have to see how that plays out. Okay, looking at AMA group on the daily chart here, this is an alert we have long, entered at 97.5. We saw that good strong push up through the 101 level. We were expecting a retest, which we saw, and then prices have headed higher into the resistance or the highs at 109, 110. Now we did spike through and then reject that level and then sell off slightly, and then we had yesterday was quite a bit of a positive day. It wasn't too bad considering the overall market, and we're looking now, we've just locked in risk a bit higher, locked in the exit level a bit higher at 105. We believe if we can't, we need to get through that 110 mark again now for continuation high. If we don't, we roll over. We're happy to just to get out of that position, close out of everything, and just see if we can get a re-entry, because the longer term structure is looking really good. But again, we're in overbought territory. We have been for a while, so we'll see what happens on that today. Over to a different chart here. This is a daily chart of MVP, Medical Developments International. Now we really like this one. We saw some good price action. It has gone up strong. We saw some good price action around the $5 mark. We can see that level initially touching here. We've touched down as we're rolling over, touched down that level, popped up quite hard. And then we've gone down and touched it and washed out that level just before popping up. Now we've had a series of good news on this stock, very positive. And if we're expecting FDA approval on the drug they've got going, and if that comes through, we should see that market really take off. But we'll see how that plays out. It looks quite good at the moment, and we just need to see that $5 level hold, and we'll be looking for entry levels. So that's it. We'll speak to you tomorrow.